my channel. This is Raza from MR Tech Pro, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the wireless microphone made by Lewinner, made for iPhone and iPad. So with that, let's get started. So this is the wireless microphone by Lewinner, and it's made for your iPhone and iPad. And basically you can see it does have a smart noise cancellation and some nice other features. Okay, guys, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we got a small receiver that's gonna connect to your iPhone or iPad with a lightning port, and then the mic itself that clips on. It's got that USB-C charging port, and it comes with the extra cover for the microphone. And let's see what's in this box. So this box has the charging cable, which is USB-C, and the pouch to carry this wireless microphone, and an extra clip for your microphone. Alright guys, so now let's do a quick testing of how the sound quality is with this mic. So right now I am recording my using my iPhone 13 Pro Max using the internal mic, the built-in mic of the iPhone 13. And now I'm going to be putting this mic on, and then you guys let me know in the comments below how that sounds. Alright guys, so now I'm recording on the Lewinner wireless microphone right now. Testing. So let me know what you guys think of the sound quality down in the comments below. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Lewinner wireless microphone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing and quick testing of this wireless microphone. Please don't forget to leave your comments down below, and remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. As always, see you on the next one.